Hi, everybody. Paul Walsh here once again with my friend Michael Dobbs. Today, we're talking about what is the long pole in the tent. Now that I understand how an external driver like the weather is shaping what my customers are going to be wanting and needing, how do I take that insight and how do I then integrate it across my entire business? Well, it's actually a really, really big topic. The value is tremendous. To get to that value, you need to follow a process. And the process that we follow is something we call our garage methodology. It's an agile way to do test and learns where you can come up with answers very fast. You can fail fast, but you also learn fast. And you do it in such a way that is relatively inexpensive and it builds on itself with a goal towards getting continual improvement, continual learning, and continual integration to get to the point where at the end of the day, you've got this integration of this data across your entire business and you're generating the kind of benefit that we know that you can generate across the entire business. And the size of the benefit is meaningful. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Michael for a little bit more detail about the garage.
Thanks, Paul. The garage is the way that we take ideas and implement them at IBM. It's really an interesting way to move forward. Paul, you mentioned that the garage is agile. Rather than taking a big idea, using weather across your business, using other external data, it's a big idea. And so to build a finished product could take 6 months. And at the end of those 6 months, maybe it's not working the way that you wanted. So rather than creating this monstrous large project, that large project is going to have a huge expense. We take this garage format, we break that larger project into small blocks. Sometimes they're 4 weeks, sometimes they're 6 weeks. The whole idea is keep it small and create a winning product in that time. And if it's not a winning product, as Paul mentioned, if you fail fast. You learn within that time frame, you make your changes, and you do something better next time around. And so the idea is we create this MVP, minimum viable product, and we take that idea and we prove it out. And then the next 4-week stint, we take it and we expand it. So think about understanding how weather would affect certain categories in a store. Maybe we're looking at fruits. And then the second stage is understanding how it's going to affect vegetables or flowers. So it's expanding and growing it until we encompass the entire store. This is how we end up implementing things like weather across retail or across CPG. A great example of this is some fantastic work that we've done with Frito-Lay to help them to improve the way that their sales team is going out and driving change within the retail stores. So if you'd like to learn more about this, if you'd like to learn how you can implement demand forecasting or improved marketing, reach out to Paul, reach out to me. We'd love to talk to you in greater depth. Thanks so much.